Okay, today we are talking about replacing a 2-ton RTU. Here's the 2-ton RTU we will be replacing today. It's a 40-year-old rheem, has a cracked heat exchanger, gas valve won't open, and some other issues.
Wow.
Safety first, we want to remember to turn off the power and turn off the gas before working on the unit. We're also going to replace this rusted out disconnect switch. The mechanism inside is broken. So first we'll shut off the gas. After we shut off the power, we'll disconnect the gas line from the unit, and we'll actually cap off the gas line as well while we're working. We'll disconnect our thermostat wires and our high voltage wires. I'll prop the unit up on the roof curb with some 2x4s so we can get lifting straps underneath it for the crane. We contracted with a local crane company. They always do a great job for us. You can see them getting their equipment set up. We'll lift the old unit off the roof first. So we got it rigged up. And a local HVAC company that we do business with is going to haul away the old unit for us, properly dispose of it, and they'll recover any residual refrigerant per EPA 608 guidelines. Now here's a new unit, getting ready to set it on the roof curb. We were able to reuse the existing roof curb. Woo! There's a new unit in place. Got the gas line hooked back up, the electrical hook backed up. Installed a filter. The unit did not come with a filter, so I installed one. This unit, you can have vertical or horizontal supply in return. We closed off the horizontal because we're using vertical in this case. We attached our gas lines with a union and a sediment trap, or a drip leg you see here, shut-off valve, and a condensate P-trap, and then we sprayed and checked for leaks. Use a manometer to check for proper gas pressure at the gas valve. Tested the unit in heating and cooling mode. Works great. Woo! Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.